Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Aneta here, and today I'm gonna give you 5 methods which we can use to convert a string to a number in JavaScript language. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with the number method. We will need a string. So let's say we have a const variable, name it str and make it equal 321 in double quote, which is our string, and let's convert it to a number. And this is our string variable, and it's converted to a number. Now let's use parse float method to convert our string to a number. And our string variable, we got a number. Now my favorite unary operator, which is just a plus. So let's see our string, we got a number. What's cool about unary operator is that even an empty string return 0. Another cool way is to multiply a string by a number, and to not change the value, we will multiply by 1. So our string multiply by 1 gives a number. Another example, like 3, 4, 8 multiplied by 1 also gives a number. And try an empty string multiplied by 1, it gives 0. And the last method I got for you is double tilde. So let's use that with our string, and we got a number. Let's try with something else, like empty string. It's a 0. And let's try with maybe another example, like something like that. In that case, we got a rounded number. And that was the last method I wanted to show you, but there are more. So if you want me to do another part of this video, let me know in the comments below. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.